This daily yoga class for digestion is intended for an overtaxed or slow digestive system that tends towards constipation. If you're experiencing the constipation, hard, dry stools, and bloating from IBS, then this class will also be beneficial for you. Worldwide, approximately 12% of people suffer from self-defined constipation. People in Americas and the Asian Pacific suffer twice as much as people in their European counterparts. This is according to Medscape statistics. You may be experiencing constipation if you are passing less than 3 stools in a week, have lumpy or hard stools, are straining to have a bowel movement, or feel as though you can't completely empty stool from your rectum, or feel as though there is a blockage that's preventing your bowel movements. I know nobody wants to talk about it, but yes, I'm going to do it. Listen, everybody is supposed to have bowel movements every single day, and being constipated doesn't mean you are just missing bowel movements. If your bowel movements are hard like pebbles and difficult to pass, you are extremely constipated. If you have firm, lumpy poop like sausage, it means it stayed in your large intestine for a couple of weeks rather than the regular 72 hours. That's a lot of time drying in the large intestine and a lot of toxins seeping into your system. If you have to strain to pass your stool and it's cracked, it has probably sat in your colon for a week. And this stool is a sign of a poor diet and a sedentary lifestyle. Constipation is painful and uncomfortable, and that's why I created this daily yoga class for digestion. The yoga poses in this class pull and pressurize the large intestine to help move stools through the colon. The large intestine is both compressed and lengthened so that it can be stimulated to wake up and relax, to let go. Additionally, there are many yoga poses in this class that contract and stretch the abdominal organs, encouraging movement in the digestive system. Several yoga poses in this class create space in the abdominal area, improving the function of the digestive system as a whole. Many of the optimal poses for digestion in this yoga class are practiced in their twisting variations. Twist will massage the digestive organs and stimulate your digestive fire. Your digestive fire will allow you to absorb the nutrients from your food and release the waste with ease. There are 2 mudras for your hands used throughout this daily yoga sequence that are specifically meant to improve digestion and relieve constipation. I also want to let you know that I will be creating a different daily yoga class for digestion with people with Crohn's, colitis, and the side of IBS, which tends more towards inflammation of the digestive system and diarrhea. These digestive issues need a whole different yoga program, which is calming and sedating. Now, to unlock the rest of this daily yoga class for digestion, click on the link below to join our membership community. Namaste.